Welcome to the video where we tackle a pesky problem that Excel users might encounter. Have you ever created or downloaded a .xlsx file, only to find out that Excel automatically saves it as that xlsm? Frustrating, right? Even if you don't need macros or VBA, Excel seems to have a mind of its own. But fear not, we have a solution for you. The solution to this irritating problem lies in a simple action you can take in Windows Task Manager. When you navigate to the Task Manager and end or force stop the process named Synaptics Pointing Device Driver, magic happens. By closing this process, you'll notice that those stubborn .xlsx files no longer morph into .xlsm format. It's like waving a wand to keep Excel in check and prevent it from messing with your file extensions. Simple yet effective, right? That's the power of knowing where to look for the culprit. In summary, we've cracked the code on how to stop Excel from forcefully changing your .xlsx files to .xlsm. All you need to do is bid farewell to the Synaptics Pointing Device Driver in the Task Manager, and voila, your files will remain as they should. Say goodbye to those unwanted extensions and hello to a smoother Excel experience. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, keeping Excel in line can be as easy as a click away. See you in the next video, where we unravel more tech mysteries.